tonight, to celebrate fall, we are going to be creating these cool little leaves, and we're going to be doing like a little watercolor splash on it, or a little bubble of watercolor. So what we're going to do today is you're going to have a piece of paper that looks like this, and we need it into 4 sections because we want 4 leaves. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half once, and you're going to fold it in half one more time. All right, you're going to open it up, and we're going to go ahead and divide all of these. We're going to go ahead and do our little black marker and do a divider in here. So let's go over these folds with a black oil pastel. You're going to be drawing these leaves in a black oil pastel as well. We're probably going to practice some on the back first, but you're going to go ahead and pick your favorite 4 of these leaves right here. They're pretty simple to make, and if you noticed, all of them start with like a curved line. So we are going to, let's see, I'm going to come here, and I think I'm just going to make this little simple one right here. So I'm just simply going to do a curved line. Now I want to make sure it takes up quite a bit of room. I don't want a tiny little leaf, so I want a really nice big long line. And then I'm simply just going to put some curved lines. I'm going to leave a stem, and I'm just going to curve. And then we've got some little like capital A's or upside down V's. So maybe I want to do, I like this little heart looking one. And to make this one, what you're going to do, here's a simple way to make that little heart one. I'm going to do like a curved stem, and I'm going to put a heart around that leaf. Just like that. So you've got a leaf that looks about like that, and maybe I want to put my little lines going down this way. Maybe I want, oh, I really like this one too. So I'm going to curve a line. This one I'm actually going to do my little veins first. And then I'm simply just going to go around it with a bubble. Kind of like when we bubble cut. I like that one. And maybe I like this one right here with the 3 leaves. If you want that one, you're just going to do a curved line. And we're just going to put some little curves on each side. All right. And so I have my 4 leaves. And what you get to do, I have stations. You get to pick 4 colors. Depending on what color you want is what station you're going to go to at the back counter. So let's say I want this one to be red. You're going to go and you're going to color your leaf red. Now you can either do a splash. You just want to do like a little bubble splash. You can do that. Or you can go to a different station and color your leaf one color and then do a background color for your leaf. So maybe I want my leaf red, and then my background I'm going to do purple. Now you probably want to wait until your leaf dries some. I would go do all of my leaves first, let them kind of dry, then go back and do the background. Just so you're not mixing the paint. We don't want to mix those colors. I don't want the red inside of my purple. All right, so when you're done, you should have something that looks like this, with all of them different colors, different leaf colors, different backgrounds. Or you can just do like a little bubble of watercolor. It's up to you. You can do it any way you want to. You can pick whatever color leaves you want to. All right, have fun.